why do you need a reserve study? Why should your homeowner association have a reserve study completed? The primary goal for the reserve study process is to answer the question, how much should we be saving into that capital reserve account each year? That will help us help your association prepare for those future expenses, and ideally help avoid special assessments. In an ideal world, ideal scenario, you would have equitable contributions to a reserve account over the long period of time, likely increasing with some average inflation rate, likely around 3%. Reserve study will also provide a budgeting tool that allows an association to plan for future expenses. It will show you exactly when those expenses are going to happen to help you plan for those expenses. And also, a reserve study can provide a budgeting tool for a homeowner association to choose how to invest reserve funds. It'll project out balances in reserve accounts to allow an association to determine what lengths of CDs or that type of thing as investment vehicles that might be logical to use for that. Again, some local governments, some state governments require a reserve study to be done on a certain annual cycle or 5-year cycle. And then also we've seen FHA certifications will oftentimes require a certain amount of reserves or reserve studies to be completed.